Ay, it's so ulan. Wala masyadong tao pero na nagja-jogging kasi parang may occasion dito. Ayun oh, merong De La Salle Universities. Ayun, maraming mga tao doon na siguro papunta sa Villar Farm. Ayan, kaya tagasunod muna tayo ng mga batang makulit. Oh, halika na. Come here, Era.
Hoy! Hoy! Mami, ano to? Dami stick.
No, there, no.
Right?
Ayan o, parang may fun run. There guys. Ayan o. Madaming naka-maroon. Naka-maroon sila na damit. Ayan. Ayan, maraming tao doon sa area na yun. Ayan, may nagatakbuhan. Nagatakbuhan doon. Ayan o.
Uba!
May ata event. May event dun sa yung dalawa ko kahit maulan, jogging sana kami. Paano kami magja-jogging? Yeah.
I found a flower here.
Oh, careful. Come on, let's go up. Era, careful. Oh, there's harang here. There you go, guys. Makikita nyo, guys. Ayan, oh. May mga nagatakbo-takbo doon. Tapos, ayan, ang daming kotse sa loob. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Baka may okasyon dito.
Mommy, look! Something is there!
Yeah, I know. No, they're running.
No, there. So far
What
away.
happened? Tulali.
What happened?
Tulala.
There is something!
Awa naman tayo nito. Para tayo mga basang sisiw nito. Mababasa man tayo kay nag-ampon man. Nag-aambon-ambon. Daming sasakyan dito, guys. Pero dun sa loob. Nasa loob yung sasakyan. No! No, ba? You might fall.
Help, Mom!
You might fall.
I'll help.
Yeah, you want to fall down there?
No,
Oh.
like this, huh?
Oh, nababa na sila. Oh my God, oh my God. No, 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 no.
Huh?
Era, careful.
I'm big now. Shoot.
Wow, very good.
Big.
Huh?
Big.
Mm.
I'll find out the campfire. Let's find some. Let's find some sticks. Let's find out the cake. There's a cake.
Okay.
I found some sticks for our fire.
Oh no, don't. It's dirty, oh.
Sorry.
Buba, come here. Shh. No.
Sorry, Mom. I want to play look like Mom.